What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I just got back from Sema, just drove back from Las Vegas. Fantastic show. Again, it was my first time out there. I had an absolute blast. Super cool show. Definitely will be going back again. But came home, and what did I have waiting for me? Nothing other than the November box from GloveBox. Super excited about this one, guys. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open, see what we got. All right, guys, so if you're new here and you have not heard of GloveBox previously, GloveBox is a monthly subscription-based service. They send you full product, not samples, they're the full-size products from a bunch of different brands. Again, it's monthly. They send it out to you every month, 35 bucks for the box, and it's an extreme value because you're getting way, way, way more than $35 worth of value here. Really quick, guys, make sure you use coupon code Detail Green. That's my company name, Detail Green. It'll get you 20% off your first box. So if you're an at-home kind of DIYer enthusiast, it's a really cool way to, it's exciting when you get the box to see what you got. It's a really good way to test out new products and find the best products for your specific car. For me, I say that, the whole specific to your car, because, when you talk about compounds and things like that, certain compounds work better with certain cars. Some clear coats are harder than others, and certain compounds work better with those. Same thing, interiors. The interior material that Tesla uses, I like certain products for that stuff versus the BMWs, like their M-Tech leatherette. So it just depends. You can find out what works best for your vehicle and what you like, and continue to buy it from there. If you're a professional, it's a no-brainer, guys. I'm constantly always trying new products. I want to find the best products that allow me to get the job done faster and do a better result for the customer. And having this at 35 bucks a month, it's a basic marketing expense. Get this thing, or supplies expense, really, or whatever, it depends on how you do your taxes, right? But fantastic box. So let's go ahead and jump into it. This month's November box. So right off the bat, guys, you always have your little instruction step-by-step guide. So we'll go through that afterwards, but right off the bat, GloveBox sticker. Go ahead and open this up, and right off the bat, guys, we have a microfiber towel. And it's interesting, it's kind of a textured dual weave kind of a towel. So that's nice. I'm assuming that's probably gonna work super well for windows. Would probably be my go-to for it. Now, again, I'll probably test it out on other things, but that should be a really good item for that. Next up, we have two microfiber applicator pads. These are nice, thick pads, so whatever you want to use them for. Interiors, applying your dressings to all the plastics, applying leather conditioner, all that kind of good stuff. Two of them, fantastic. All right, guys, so first main item here, and this is super awesome because I've actually been looking at getting this to test out because I've seen some crazy marketing videos with this thing, and it looks like it works phenomenal. But this is the Fur Reel pet hair remover. It attaches right onto your vacuum attachment, and this one actually is the complete kit. So let me look how this works. Basically, yeah, there you go. So I've seen it sold just like this at some local detail shops and things like that. It's just a textured rubber piece. There you go, so you can see there. And you attach that to your vacuum head, and you just go ahead and collect all of the fur and hair, and everything comes up really nice. My opinion on it, when I saw it in detail shops like this, I was like, well, I don't know if that's gonna fit my, my vacuum. But anyways, guys, this one comes with the whole extension piece so that it fits. I think they say like 95% of vacuums. So super cool, it goes together really, really nice. I'm super excited to try this thing out. Again, I always use the Lily brush for my pet hair removal. I'll link that down in the description for you guys as well. Really cheap piece, it's like 10 bucks, you can get on Amazon, super good. And it's nice because you can get stuff out of corners. This, I don't know. You might be a little bit limited because you're gonna have the hose attachment and all that kind of stuff. But man, I think that this is gonna be a fantastic piece for all the bulk work, getting everything cleaned up. So let's just look real quick on this item. Right off the bat, guys, this first item is $24.99. So fantastic value already. Microfiber applicators, Let's see, here are $4 each. You get 2 of them, so $8 there. And microfiber towel, they are rating this at $4. I don't know about that. That might be a little bit of a high price, but, and you know, I don't know, maybe because it's that kind of a dual textured microfiber, maybe that's where they justify that price. I don't know, I haven't bought these in the past, so I don't know. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and keep on going through this. Next thing up, we have Detail Firm's trim and tire care. Now, Detail Firm is an interesting brand. I haven't used them in the past. I've seen some of their stuff, and their packaging looks like a high-end gentleman's barbershop, or even like their labels are almost like a high-end whiskey or something like that. Super cool. The bottle design is different. Yeah, nice top. You can just spin it up and it opens it up, close it back up. It's one of those clog-proof ones because I don't know if this is gonna focus for you. When you open it up, it's open, and then when you close it, the inner piece pushes through and pushes out any material so it doesn't clog down the road. So it's a polymer-based protectant from the Detail Firm. It says tire and trim is a thick polymer restorative gel protectant designed for plastics, rubbers, weather seals, and faded trim. Super cool. So let's go ahead and take a sniff of this stuff and see if it smells good. It is sealed up. Let's go ahead and pop that open. And it smells, smells good. It smells very good. Like a slight bit of almost like a cologne on top of just clean scent. So this top's kind of giving me a little bit of trouble going back on. Let's see here. Okay, we're good. So super cool. This product retails for, let's see here, this is tire and trim. Wow, $28. So I hope it's super good. But again, guys, this is what's so cool about this box. Would I have bought this product for $28 for this, what is this, 16 ounces, something like that? I would not have bought that for 28 bucks, personally. But now I'm getting to try it, and maybe it's worth that 28 bucks, guys. It might be a fantastic product. Again, really cool packaging. I know that right off the bat. So anyways, let's keep going. Next thing, we have Adams Polish's all-purpose interior cleaning gel. I have used this in the past. Guys, I will tell you this product is fantastic. It's a thicker component. So when you're doing your door panels and things like that, you spray this on and it's thicker, right? It's kind of here, let me see if I can just, you see how it foams up right off the bat? So it sticks onto the panel much better. And then you can get in there with a brush and agitate it, and you're not worrying about drips and all that kind of stuff. Because it is a foam and is clinging onto the panel like that, it gives you an opportunity to kind of break down all that dirt and everything a little bit more because it's staying in that place. Same thing with my foam cannons, guys. When I'm foaming a car, I like a really thick foam because it's sticking to the panel and breaking everything down. So really good, clean, just clean scent. Not really fragrant, but just clean smelling. So Adams all-purpose interior cleaning gel is fantastic. I really like this product, and it retails for $9.99. All right, guys, last item in the box is another product from the Detail Firm. Again, super cool packaging, same deal. Almost the same, they just changed the colors of the label a little bit. So obviously that tire and trim protectant is that purple color, and now we have a leather cream. And the leather cream is kind of a bronzed, orangish color. Super cool. So same deal, guys. Let's go ahead and read it. Restoring conditioner with UV protection additives that creates extra softness and extends the life of the leather. Leather cream was developed for interior leathers, plastics, and vinyl surfaces, restoring them to a natural, non-greasy factory condition. It's safe for interior usage on aviation, automotive, marine, RV, motorcycle, and commercial applications. So super cool, guys. Not just a leather cream, goes on everything else as well. Same no clog top. Let's go ahead and open this up and see how it smells. Whoops. I don't know. It smells like a leather conditioner, really. Nothing too specific there that I'm really catching on to. It just smells like a leather conditioner. So fantastic box though, guys. The fact that this thing, I mean, this thing's 25 bucks, right? Just this. So if we're talking just this, we're already at $10 away from the cost of the box. Now, make sure you guys, if you're interested in getting this, make sure you use my code. Just put Detail Green in at checkout and it'll get you 20% off your first box. So what does that bring it down to? So it's $7 off. So 28 bucks, fantastic value. Basically this, right? This and one applicator pays for your first box and you get all this other stuff for free. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and total all this up. We've got the leather cream. Leather cream retails for $22. We've got the other product from Detail Firm. We have the tire and trim care, $28. So just between those two products, 50 bucks. So Detail Firm, I like your packaging, super cool. Very, very interested to actually test these out. Again, I wouldn't pay that price. If I saw it on the shelf, I wouldn't buy these over something else. It's quite expensive, but I'm excited to try them out. Hopeful that they are worth that value. Right off the bat, guys, their marketing is super cool. Like I said, the packaging and everything is really nice. So excited to check those out. 50 bucks. The Adams gel interior cleaner, 10 bucks. So we're at 60 bucks. Two pads, $8 here. This says 4 bucks, but let's just round it down to 2 so it makes my math easy. So that's another 10 bucks. So what is that? 50, 60, 70 bucks. And the For Real full kit, 25 bucks. So what are we at, guys? $95 of value, plus a sticker. So fantastic value. Like I said again, guys, if you're interested, if you're a DIYer, this is the best way to test everything out. Like I said, this leather cream, I talked about the difference between Teslas and BMWs and any other brand. The Tesla specifically is the one that's the most different. This leather cream might be the best choice. We'll see. I'm gonna test that out. Super excited about that. Again, the all-purpose cleaning gel, fantastic product. And the For Real, I've been wanting to try this thing, so I am pumped that it came in the box. So again, guys, $95 of value, $35 for the box, unless you use my code, then it's only 28 bucks. Go try this thing out, guys. Great guys from this company, and it's fun. Every month you get it, it's like Christmas. So, all right, guys, so I hope that helps. Again, fantastic value from GloveBox. Make sure to use that coupon code to get yourself 20% off your first box. Code is Detail Green. And yeah, I'm excited to test all this stuff out, guys. So please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.